Shillong South constituency hne ka Sngi kalayo ban bu mau nong rem ban tei eki shipau Tylli ki Surok ki ban penyaso eki Surok Snong sha Surok bha naga banta ban pensuk pensanya ki nong shong Snong kita eki shipau Tylli ki Surok lamang ban shna ha ka jingmang pisa ka ba hadu khatsan klur tam na kaliang MLA ka than ba dei ru chairman ke MTDC ba san borshulai ulong ba ka jing penyo eki ni ki Surok ka dei ru da ka jing trilang ki dor bar Snong kham tam e ki trai jaka.
It's a blessing of each and every one of you that besides those schemes which are implemented, ongoing schemes are plenty all over my constituency, and with blessing of God. We have now the newly sanctioned scheme of 10 numbers with a total amount of 15 crore 25 lakh 72,500. 10 numbers. We have also the ongoing scheme of additional water supply scheme, which we have got the sanction from the Amrut scheme, Atal Bihari Vajpayee mission scheme. This is going on, which will pave way to the PHE and the municipal to commission the additional supply of water all over the greater Laban area. Lumbaring, Manlaban, Lumzobor, Lumdarbar, Kanjatpur, Laban, Jumarlin, Lower Laban, Red Cross. It is within 1 month, I think, this scheme will be fully completed and additional water supply will be given to each and every locality within Greater Laban area, except cantonment area, we are having sufficient water supply. Eight, 9 years ago, there was a shortage of supply of water in the cantonment area. After winning the election 2013, I have taken up with the state government with permission and NOC from the PHE department, where we have given an independent line only for cantonment area. And now cantonment area people, they don't need to wake up 3 a.m. in the midnight and fetch the water. The water is sufficient in cantonment area, as well as within Greater Laban area. There are also many schemes like children's park we have done, playground in Dobitala, Jalupara, we have football field, we have volleyball field, badminton field, we have children's park. Before, it was a dance of anti-social elements. It's like a slum, a dumping ground. And Polton Bazaar, there was also a dumping ground. All people from Farah Bazaar and adjoining areas, they come and dump their garbages there. There also we have a scheme with a Nak temple. We have constructed a Nak temple newly, and we have converted that field into a playing field where there are gates from the front and from the back where the society of the Paltan Bazaar they are taking care of. And it has become a multi-purpose ground for all the residents of Paltan Bazaar and Lower Paltan Bazaar. And with the blessing, with the support of each and every one of you, we are also having lots of plan requirement in terms of development. Builds, roads, electricity, we have given you maximum from the smart city. Street lights, we have given you each and every locality. We have given you the aqueduct and drainage system from the smart city scheme, where we have seen works are completed and works are going on. in each and every locality within my constituency. We are having the play field in Meghalaya, which will be handed over to the Meghalaya Sports Club for the donbosco within a month or two. Due to natural calamities, 3 times the muds and the earth from the hill of the road going to Lumparing collapsed 3 times in collaboration with the donbosco, where they can start their business establishment there. A few years ago, we have inaugurated the then Bishnupur Kansas Municipal Market Community Hall. Now we have changed it to the donbosco Lumshaksi Kansas, where 40 to 50 unemployed youths were given the stalls to run their shop and establishment. And we don't have donbosco Community Hall, and on the top of the shop, we are having our own community hall, donbosco hall. This is the long, long aspiration of the people of Greater Laban area. And the standard ground will be coming up very soon in Khubor, the last locality of the Shillong city, behind the community hall. And we are also moving on to get the cultural hall, auditorium at Khubor, Laban Sports Club, and donbosco Marlaban Real Laban. We have also going to inaugurate the seminar hall, community hall, and a Bible class hall at Relabong, adjacent to Relabong police station. Next month we are going to inaugurate to function, and it will be helpful to all the residents of Kansas, Oxford, Relabong. They don't need to hire Ususosam Hall, or State Library, or the State Convention. All NGOs, people of Greater Laban area, they can organize the programs there at the seminar at Relabong Seminar Hall, which I have managed to get the sanction from the Social Welfare Department for an amount of rupees 4 crore 50 lakhs. Ten numbers of UD functioning scheme within 19 South Shillong constituency for about 15 crore, 21 lakh plus 22,000. This is the blessing of God and the blessing of each and every one of you.
Please give him a big hand. We are grateful and thankful to the UD officers for their big hand, ladies and gentlemen.